up. Can we get some water? Perfect. He's going to give me a little water. And all right, we're gonna pull up. All right, we're gonna try to put some heat in. Kick it out of drag mode, put it in drag strip. Wasn't very good pill out, but we'll see. And let's get ready to go. All right. Let's go. Oh, the car's fast. Oh, well done. Woo! What a race. Very nice. I did slip a little bit as we were launching, but great run, dude. Great run. Well done, buddy.
In a Tesla.
Very nice. We'll have to take a look at the ticket. All right, you guys, let's talk about it. So he really did win that race at the light. My reaction time was terrible, and I needed every little bit of it in order to win the race. But 9.53 and 9.58, so it was a really, really good race. 9.58 for this car is a little bit on the higher end, and I think it's showing in the all-season tires. So, but it is what it is. It was a fun race. The guy's got a great car, and hopefully we can do it again.